Installation video. Tesla Model Y refrigerator. Before installation, push 2 front seats forward. Remove the interior trim cover of the air outlet. Loosen the internal wiring. Remove the panel at the bottom with the prier. Remove 2 lower screws with hex spanner. Remove the middle trim cover. Turn the 2 screws back. Get the Wi-Fi fridge and cabs ready. Connect the original cable to the fridge cable with matching color. Matching 8 fasteners exactly and fix the Wi-Fi fridge into the snap position. Connect the C terminal plug of the internal wiring to the wiring of type C. Matching fasteners first. Install the air outlet of the AC units back to the original position. Then the installation is finished.